Those of you who have watched my channel before, welcome back. And those of you who are new to watching my channel, what's up? I'm UV Studios, and today we're going to be adding some lights to our model airport runway. Firstly though, let's talk about what we need, and that's a drill, some duct tape, and some string lights. Once we have everything we need, I'm going to use a pencil and make some circles where we're going to drill holes. The first holes should all be in a straight line, like ensuring where the runway starts, and those are the lights that we're trying to recreate here in this first clip. Now that we have all of our holes made, it's time to attach some lights. And so I took these red string lights and I attached them on the bottom of my board. I made sure that the LEDs were exactly under the holes so that it would give off the best effect. This will make it look more detailed because the lights will shine more brightly at night. Once the lights indicating the start of the runway are complete, I added some holes behind it for like approach lights for planes approaching your airport. Once the holes are made, then you can do the exact same thing that you did with the other row, and you can place the LEDs right behind it. Okie dokie, once that's done, you have this giant cluster of duct tape, but don't worry because on the other side, the results are stunning. One more thing I did is right next to the blast fences, I also added some holes so we can put in some lights there indicating the end of the tarmac and the airport. Once we fill in those holes with LEDs, it takes us to our final product. I really hope that y'all like the final product of this video, and I hope that y'all go like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time on UV Studios.